selling drugs to get some new micro SD cards because we got 2 new cameras to film some cool stuff. So we need more memory.
So we need more memory cards, and that's what we're gonna do. Spend more money. Okay, so we bought our micro SD. Oh, I gotta like really focus on
SDs.
Yeah, we price match it, like save 14 bucks.
14 big ones, so we could afford the best drink in the world. We're not sponsored.
Yeah, we're not sponsored.
I wish
they didn't
we were
pay us.
sponsored.
They didn't pay us to say that.
That'd be dope. Nesty, please sponsor us.
Yeah, shout out to Nesty. We need a lot of sponsorships, so we're just gonna have to start asking, like everything we ever buy. Like, what are these micro SD cards? Lexar. Shout out to Lexar. Can we get a sponsorship, please?
Yeah,
we just want a lot of money from everyone, please. That'd be nice. Yeah. So today we are going to go to Jaden's house and, I mean, help him, or more just like check out what he's doing.
So yeah, we're going to Jaden's house. You guys haven't seen Jaden before on the channel. He drives a red 65 Mustang. So we're gonna go look at that, and you guys will see it in a bit.
Yeah.
Hey guys, just got to Jaden's house. Here he is. Everybody, this is my friend Jaden. This is his unbelievably sick 65, well 64 and a half Mustang. We got my car, Marcus's car. Hey guys, so I've just been on a Skype meeting for the last like 40 minutes, and these guys have been working on their cars all this time, but we're too incompetent to record anything. So we got like no footage. This guy here built his own transmission, like freaking jack mount thing, but they couldn't figure out how to mount a camera. So we got nothing. But what have you done so far, Marcus?
I don't know why he's so mad, guys. So what we've done is we started tuning my carb and setting my timing, because it's not running like perfectly. It's running okay. And we did that, and then we had set the timing, and we were gonna start it again and see how it was, and try to continue tuning the carb, and my car won't start now, so. It's a good car.
We've come full circle.
So now we're cleaning Jaden's oil pump.
Oh, so like we're just like not even working on your car anymore?
No.
It just doesn't start. So
It's not gonna start. How am I gonna tune it now?
Well, why doesn't it start?
Because the start is too hot.
Okay.
Let's push it.
Throw back to summer problems.
So Jaden, what are we doing here?
Sort of half rebuilding the engine.
All right.
And putting the transmission in, putting a new clutch in. Just replaced the rear main seal. And now we're gonna make a sketchy gasket for the oil pump.
Marcus's car went on like a sick streak of being able to start, and she's not starting again, but hopefully she turns on right now. I'm betting she will.
I bet no.
I think she does.
No, she does not. It's whatever. We'll just wait. Like, this is the third starter that I put in this car, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and order like a really nice, expensive high torque starter, and hopefully that will eliminate the problem. Update. We recently became super fobs because we got a selfie stick.
And look how long this stick is.
Yeah.
Damn,
Wow.
look at that field of view.
So my car won't start, so we're gonna hijack all the tools and bring it to Adam's car.
And look at this.
Look at what?
I carry this around in the back because car with brakes.
No way.
Fender guard.
Adam is ready. He's ready to set up shop anywhere.
Look at this, Jaden.
Yeah, but you guys, come on. Adam's got a fender guard, but can he just fix his car wherever he wants with a bag of tools? Can you, Adam? Me and Adam are like the dynamic duo.
A box.
If ever me and Adam break down anywhere, we can literally set up a shop in a minute.
Here we are, same old familiar scene. Putting jumpers on Marcus's car. We're wrapping things up here at Jaden's house. We got his car here, sitting real pretty. Yeah. So hopefully we can get Marcus's car jumped.
It's like
She just turned on.
you'll
She
be
just
able to
turned
turn
on. All right, so we tried roll starting it for a second time straight. Didn't work. And then we pushed it down the hill, and then like all hope was lost. It wasn't working at all. And then all of a sudden it just turned on. So we Gucci, we good. Time to roll.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching that video. It was an absolute and
Gong
total
show.
disaster today, but we made it to Jaden's and we made it home barely, but we got here
Speak for yourself.
and we got Adam's car's vacuum leak fixed.
Yeah, like it's funny, we just went over there to film Jaden's car, and then one thing led to another. Started working on Marcus's car, then Marcus's car stopped working, and then we're like, okay, well, while Marcus's car like cools down, we'll work on my car just to check the car tuning, and then another vacuum leak.
And then another problem. Our cars just love making content for the channel.
Yeah, so I mean, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Guess we'll see you in the next one.